So the cinema is occupied by adults and children. 5/9 of the seats are occupied by adults. That leaves us with 4/9 occupied by children. So the ratio of adults to children will be 5:4. Since half of the children were boys, we'll split up the children into boys and girls, which will be in a ratio of 2:2. Okay, the number of adults will be the same, which is 5. So this is the overall ratio. There were 68 more adults than boys. Adults have 5 units, boys have 2 units. So the difference will be 3 units, which will correspond to 68. So the question is asking for the total number of people in the cinema, which will be the number of adults plus the number of children, which is a total of 9 units. So we are looking for 9 units, which we can easily find by multiplying 68 by 3. That will give us our final answer of 204. Okay, now while this question isn't particularly difficult to solve, it isn't a very well set question, because if you were to work backwards to find the number of children there were, we'll see what happens. Okay, to find 1 unit, we'll take 68 dividing by 3, or we'll get 22 and 2/3. So the number of children in the cinema will be 4 units, which will actually be 90 and 2/3 children. So this doesn't make sense. What about if we find the number of adults, which is 5 units? We will get 113 and 1/3 adults. So this also doesn't make sense. Okay, so because of this figures, which were supposed to be number of people, so this question isn't very well